Alright, so I'm making this video for a 2013 Jetta 4-cylinder TDI engine with a 6-speed manual transmission. So this is a diesel engine, just in case you didn't catch the TDI part. After you take your cover off, you got your transmission and your oil pan is over here. Drain plug for the transmission, fill plug for the transmission. This is your drain plug for your motor oil. There's your CV shaft to the right, CV shaft to the left. Cooling fans. This is your mid radiator hose that comes out of the right hand side. There's a split connection that comes down through here and it comes over to the right. You might not be able to see it. Here's your electrical plug, because these fans are electrically powered, not mechanical. There's your starter. Kind of a bitch to get to, but it's there. Could be worse. And that's it. That's all you need to know. We'll try to keep it simple. If you need information about something else, well, I'll create something if I can. Later, guys.